Today we're at West India Quay, right by Canary Wharf in London's Docklands, and we'll be going out on one of the Skuna hot tub boats. This is a really interesting area. The historic Grade 1 listed warehouse here once stored imported goods like tea, sugar and rum from the West Indies, and today sits alongside Canary Wharf, London's ultra-modern financial centre. And it is here, in these calm Dockland waters, that we'll be floating. Skuna offers a few different kinds of experiences, like barbecue boats, hot tub boats, and floating saunas. You'll start with an introduction, safety briefing, and getting set up, which takes around 20 minutes. There are changing rooms to get ready and store your belongings. After that, you'll have around 75 minutes to explore the water, with a map of the area to guide you. You can buy drinks at the pub and they'll get everything prepared for you. You can bring your phone and valuables and store them in a waterproof pot to keep everything dry. The boat itself is wood-fired with a chimney, and as it's a self-drive boat, you'll need at least one designated driver in your group. It's pretty straightforward. The only thing that will need a little bit of your attention, and you'll see exactly what I mean when we get out there, are the low bridges. When you approach one, you need to be ready to fold the chimney down. It is fun and relaxing, and not that many people in London actually know about this. Given that it sits in such a busy location, it still feels like a hidden gem. If you'd like to learn more about the area, there are also guided hot tub boat tours of the Docklands. I'll leave a link in the description below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing, as I post content every week. I'll see you next time.